The Galapagos Islands are one of the most fascinating places on Earth, with unique flora and fauna found nowhere else on the planet. One of the most enchanting aspects of this archipelago is its underwater world. Today, we're going to take a deep dive and explore the top 10 most fascinating sea creatures you'll meet in these mystical islands. So, strap on your scuba gear and get ready to be amazed. Pacific Green Sea Turtle. First on our list of fascinating sea creatures in the Galapagos Islands is the Pacific Green Sea Turtle, also known as the Black Sea Turtle. These majestic creatures are renowned for their impressive size, with some weighing up to 700 pounds and measuring up to 4 feet long. Their impressive appearance and size make them an iconic species in the region. Their curious nature is not just limited to their physical appearance. Pacific Green Sea Turtles have a unique diet consisting mainly of seagrasses and algae, which gives their flesh a greenish tint that inspires their name. Additionally, these sea turtles have an extraordinary way of breathing that allows them to remain underwater for up to 5 hours without the need to surface for air. They possess specialized lungs that extract oxygen from the water, which is a rare adaptation amongst turtles. Chocolate Chip Sea Star. Now, we have the Chocolate Chip Sea Star, also known as the Cushion Star. These fascinating creatures are named after their distinctive appearance, which features a dark brown or black coloration with white speckles that resemble chocolate chips. The most intriguing aspect of these sea stars is their ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a predator attacks them or if they lose a limb due to some other reason, the chocolate chip sea star can grow a new one to replace it. This regeneration process is an incredible feat of nature and helps these sea stars survive in the harsh marine environment. Galapagos Penguin. These unique penguins are the only penguin species found north of the equator and are the second smallest penguin species in the world, with adults typically growing to around 20 inches in height. The fascinating aspect of the Galapagos penguins is their ability to survive in warm waters. They have several adaptations that allow them to cope with the warmer climate of the Galapagos, including the ability to pant and reduce their activity levels during the hottest parts of the day. They also have a reduced body size, which helps them to dissipate heat more efficiently. Manta ray. Now, let's dive into another fascinating creature that you can encounter in the Galapagos Islands, the manta ray. These gentle giants of the ocean are among the largest rays in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 29 feet. Despite their intimidating size, they are harmless to humans, as they do not have stingers like their stingray relatives. Manta rays have a unique way of feeding that involves them filtering their food through their gills. They mainly feed on plankton and small fish, which they scoop up with their cephalic fins. These fins, located on either side of their heads, are used to direct plankton towards their gaping mouths. Another jaw-dropping aspect of the manta rays is their impressive intelligence. These animals have one of the largest brain-to-body ratios of any fish, which enables them to exhibit a range of complex behaviors. For example, they have been observed displaying playful behavior, such as performing somersaults and interacting with scuba divers. Pacific Seahorse. We have the Pacific Seahorse, small and intriguing creatures found in the shallow waters of the Galapagos Islands and are known for their distinctive shape and behavior. Pacific seahorses have a unique appearance with a long, narrow snout, a slender body, and a curled tail. They are also covered in bony plates instead of scales, which provide them with a tough armor-like exterior. These seahorses come in various colors such as brown, green, yellow, and even orange. The most curious thing about Pacific seahorses is their unique mating behavior. Unlike most animals where the female is responsible for carrying the offspring, male seahorses carry the eggs in a pouch located on their abdomen. The female seahorse will deposit her eggs into the male's pouch and he will carry them until they hatch, which can take up to 4 weeks. Marine Iguana. The marine iguana is one of the most unique animals in the Galapagos Islands. These lizards have adapted to a unique sea lifestyle, making them one of the world's only marine reptile species. They have a striking look, with a dark gray or black coloring and a spiky crest along their spine. The feeding habits of marine iguanas are what stimulate their interest. Unlike other reptiles that hunt on land, marine iguanas dive into the water to eat algae that grow on rocks. This makes them the world's only reptile that feeds on sea vegetation. They have an amazing ability to remove excess salt from their bodies using specialized glands, allowing them to survive on the seawater they consume. Scalloped hammerhead shark. These sharks are truly unique, with their distinctive hammerhead shapes that set them apart from other shark species. Growing up to 14 feet in length and weighing up to 500 pounds, they are amongst the largest predators found in the region. But what makes these sharks so interesting is their social behavior. Scalloped hammerheads form schools of up to hundreds of individuals, making them one of the most social shark species. These schools are thought to have a hierarchical structure, with the larger and older sharks taking charge and the younger ones following their lead. Scalloped hammerhead sharks are also known to migrate long distances, with some individuals traveling over 1,000 miles. This behavior is not fully understood, but it is believed to be linked to their reproductive cycle and the availability of food. Galapagos Sea Lion. The next fascinating creature on our list is the Galapagos Sea Lion. These charismatic animals are a common sight on the shores and rocky outcroppings of the Galapagos Islands. They are the smallest species of sea lion, but don't let their size fool you. Galapagos sea lions are incredibly agile and swift swimmers, able to maneuver through the water with ease. These sea lions are known for their social behavior. They are highly social creatures, forming large groups on the beaches and in the water. They communicate with each other through a series of barks, growls, and honks, which can be heard from a distance. These vocalizations are crucial to the sea lion's social structure and are used for everything from attracting mates to communicating danger. Bottlenose Dolphin. The bottlenose dolphin is a highly intelligent and social mammal that is often seen playing and jumping in the waters around the Galapagos Islands. These sleek creatures are easily recognizable by the elongated snouts, curved dorsal fins, and grayish-blue coloring. What makes the bottlenose dolphin so curious is their incredible intelligence and social behavior. They are known to be highly social creatures, often living in groups of up to 30 individuals called pods. These pods have a hierarchical structure and communicate with each other through a series of clicks, whistles, and body language. Bottlenose dolphins are also known for their playful behavior, often seen riding the waves of boats or performing acrobatic displays in the water. They've been observed using tools, such as seashells, to protect their noses while foraging on the ocean floor, which is a rare behavior among animals. Whale shark. These gentle giants are the largest fish in the ocean, growing up to 40 feet in length and weighing up to 20 tons. Despite their massive size, these creatures have a docile nature, making them a popular sight for divers and snorkelers. Whale sharks are filter feeders, meaning they consume massive amounts of tiny plankton and krill by filtering them through their enormous mouths as they swim. Interestingly, despite their size, whale sharks have relatively small teeth and are not known to attack humans. In the Galapagos, whale sharks can be found throughout the year, but they are most commonly spotted between June and December when the waters are cooler. Diving or snorkeling with these gentle giants is an unforgettable experience and is highly recommended for anyone visiting the Galapagos Islands. Exploring the Galapagos Islands is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and its underwater world is truly enchanting. Which creature do you think is the most fascinating one? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you in the next one.